Is your ONN stuck on updating or not updating at all? Don't panic. This is a common issue and we have got a few quick fixes that can get it back on track. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we are addressing the issue when ONN is not updating. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the official power adapter. Make sure you are using the original on-wall adapter and cable that came with your device. Unlike USB ports on TVs or monitors, the official power adapter delivers the full, consistent current required for ONN to perform reliably during high-demand tasks like downloading and installing updates. Method 2. Ensure stable Wi-Fi connection. If your ONN initiates but never finishes an update, maybe it's struggling to maintain a stable internet connection. This is especially true for older routers or crowded Wi-Fi environments, or there can be a temporary glitch. To fix this, restart your Wi-Fi router and restart your ONN device. Make sure to unplug the devices for some time. After a while, plug it back in and monitor if the update resumes. Method 3. Check for interference. If your ONN is not updating, interference from surrounding devices or poor signal strength could be the cause. Ensure the ONN device is not obstructed by any objects and avoid placing it directly behind the TV or near other electronic or wireless devices that might cause signal interference. Also, try relocating your Wi-Fi router closer to the ONN or minimizing physical barriers between them. A stronger signal can help the device download updates more reliably. Method 4. Factory reset ONN. If your ONN is frozen, looping, or stuck on the update screen for hours, a factory reset can clear corrupted update files. Fortunately, you can do this entirely using the physical button on the device. Find the smallest reset button on your device. It's typically located near the HDMI port or on the back of the device. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. While still holding the reset button, unplug the device from the power source. Continue holding the reset button for another 10 seconds. Still holding the reset button, plug the device back into the power source. Release the reset button when the recovery menu appears on the screen. Use the reset button to scroll through the options. You need to use the reset button for scrolling. When you reach the Wipe Data and Factory Reset option, press and hold the reset button to select it. From the next menu, select the Factory Data Reset option again using the reset button. Wait till the process completes. Once the wiping process completes, select the Reboot System Now option. Once the streaming device restarts, you will be brought back to the setup page. Now set up your device. This process will erase all data on the device and restore it to factory settings. Method 5. Contact help. If your ONN is still not downloading updates, then you can contact ONN support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. That's all it takes. Your ONN should now be updating properly and ready to stream. If this guide helped you out, give us a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are always up to date with the latest tech tips from Silicophilic. Still having issues or found a different fix? Share it in the comments. We love hearing from your community. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.